Hi everyone and welcome in this video. The business model that I want to share with you is called Mailstagram. I created this business model and this name because it's pretty much a simple combination on how you can make money online with Instagram and email marketing. I don't know your level of knowledge about Instagram and email marketing, but this video it can be for beginning and advanced people, because I will share with you some tricks and a great business model on how you can make money with Instagram and email. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and watch the video until the end, because it's a really powerful way on how you can make passive income from Instagram. So let's explain a little bit the business model. The business model it's pretty simple, because you create an Instagram page, then you should choose your niche. You create the Instagram page, and then click on the bio, on the link, when people click, you will have a landing page. Once you have the email of your people that are interested in what you have to say, they will receive some emails for a long period of time with affiliate links. So when they click that link to go to Amazon and on some other places, you will earn money and commissions. But now we go straight into the first point of the business model, and it's that you should choose a niche, something that you like or maybe you find very hot in the marketplace. For example, in this video we take fitness for example. So I have my idea and I want to create something around fitness. Good. I have chosen fitness. Then I go on Instagram and I simply create an Instagram page with a fitness name. Maybe it can be Fitness Motivation, Fitness 365. You have some fantasy and you create a great name for your Instagram page. Then once you have created your page, you should set up all the information with maybe some information in the bio, some information maybe for email if someone wants to contact you, and the right profile picture, maybe a little bit of clickbait, and the other and simple things that you should set up on Instagram. Once you have your pages created and set up, you should go online or go on Instagram and find other pictures of fitness that are really clickbait and eye-catching. For example, you can go on the biggest pages on Instagram and find 9 photos that are really amazing, and you can post it on your profile with some hashtag and some description. For the description I will tell you later what to do. But now the next point is to go on Mailchimp.com. That is a service where you can create email lists, landing pages, autoresponders, and everything about email. So you create a free account on Mailchimp, and then you create an autoresponder, an email flow. If you don't know what this is, it's simple. Once a person join a list, a determinate list that you chose, that person will receive email maybe every day or every 2 days. You set up everything. You create your workflow once the people join the list, and then the moment that they join the list, they will receive a mail. Then you set up the time frame for the next email and what is about the next email. And then you create all the automation for all the plan that we have with this business model. It's really important that the business model is for maybe 2 months, 60 days or 45 days, because people will not maybe buy the first 3 or 4 days that they join the list. They will before know you and trust that you have a good service and good tips. So then you should create a landing page, and here it's really important to know what you will give at these people that join your list, because for example, I have created a list in fitness, and say that it's really simple. On the landing page I set up the text and I said, if you opt in this list, you will receive every day a tip for 45 days on how you can improve your health. So you simply create the content and you send out with the responder the email every day, and your clients or the people that join in the list will receive every day a tip, so they have a good reason to join that list, because you cannot say that you join this list and I will give you affiliate links and I make money. You should simply give value first, and they can give back value to buy some product that you are affiliate. For creating the content of your email, you should not sit down for 5 hours and think at all the content, but you simply go online and search for fitness tips, health tips, and other stuff similar at this, and then you take idea. Pay really attention to not copy and paste, because I've tried, and the Mailchimp will find that this content is not yours and you don't have the copyright. So it's important to just take the idea and the concept and change all the word. For example, if people say that you should do a lot of cardio, just keep in your mind that you have to do a lot of cardio, and write a paragraph on the email about that you have to do a lot of cardio, but everything should be with your own word. Then once you have all the content created and all the mail, you are pretty much ready to go. But the first point to see now is the monetization, how you can make money from this. It's simple. At the end of every email you should have PS, you write a PS with maybe this is a good book that helps you to lose weight, and then you go on Amazon, create an affiliate account, and just put your link on the email. So when people click to see the book, they will go on Amazon with your affiliate link, and if they buy something, you will get a commission. You can do it with gym equipment, supplements, everything. At the end of every email you should add a little phrase, a little line where you say that this product or this book can help them to achieve the success and the goals that they want. And it's important to change that link, because if a person see that the 3 times click on that link and they always see the same product, they will never click again. So it's important maybe have 10 links and use it regularly. Every 10 emails you change all the links, so when the people click they maybe don't remember that they have already seen that product 10 days ago or 2 weeks ago. So it's really important to change all the links. Then once you have pretty much created your product, that is a list of email with good content, with your own words and affiliates link, you are ready pretty much to go. It's important to create a landing page, because so people can easily give you their email and go to the list that you have set up in Mailchimp. To create the landing page, you should simply go on Mailchimp and create a simple landing page, clean, and just use the right words. For example, free, you, quickly, results. You can use this word. For example, in fitness, you can say that you will quickly improve your shape for free in 45 days. Just opt in and join this email. You can use this with whatever you want. If you do it in business, makeup, network marketing, whatever you want. So once you have created everything, you should take the link of your landing page and put it on your Instagram bio. Once your Instagram page is set up with a great profile pictures, all the posts, 9 posts, 9 pictures, and your link in bio, you should add in your text in bio to click the link below to simply join in a list or join in a 45 days free training workout or free fitness tips, and you should write the same thing on the caption of the post. You should tell people to click the link in bio to get free tips for health or for what you want for a period of time. And once you have created all of these, just try yourself and test if everything works fine. Try to add your email to the list on the landing page, and then see if the day after or at the moment you will receive an email, so you can see that everything works really good, because it's a really waste of time if you create all this process, people opt in but they will never receive the email and the content. And now the last thing that you have to do is just to drive traffic to that link. So you can do it through Instagram, and there are some different ways that I am here to share with you today. The first is post a picture every day. Every day you post a picture of fitness or of what your content is about, using some hashtags, and with this you will have a lot of people that see your pictures in the hashtags and maybe explore page, and they will come and check out your page. And if they see on your page that you are driving traffic to your link and there is a free gift for them, they will absolutely click the link. Then the second point is you can use the chat. You can use the chat to write to people, or to respond to message, or write to the people that like it and comment your picture. Say, hey, thanks for liking my picture. I just wanna say that if you wanna, I have a free plan of 45-day email where you can receive every day a different tip to improve your health. And then you can also go and follow and like people that use hashtag fitness, hashtag gym, hashtag body, all these hashtags in your niche. The other point is to create stories where you tell people to click the link in bio. And then the best thing that you can do is create some testimonials that people that are in your email list, so they can write you a little testimonial, and you can put the testimonial maybe in the landing page to show that your content is good and it also brings result to other people. So this was pretty much the business model for today, the Mailstagram model. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, feel free to comment below, and I would be happy to answer to your question and help you in this, because I've already made it for myself, so I know the structures and all the tips to create a good business model. Don't forget to leave the like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.